Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials: a working Google Pay wallet and the Aliexpress app on your phone. Open Google Pay, verify the card and billing address. This ensures transactions are accepted. Once done, launch Aliexpress, sign into your account, and grant location plus payment permissions when prompted. These let Aliexpress detect Google Pay as a payment method. Make sure your app versions are current to avoid compatibility issues, and keep your phone unlocked and connected to the internet for the next steps. With items in your cart, move straight to checkout and confirm the correct shipping address and shipping method. Aliexpress ties payment options to shipping settings. When you reach payment methods, look for Google Pay, sometimes listed under Wallet or Pay options. Choose Google Pay, then pick the card you set up earlier and verify the billing address matches Google Pay. If prompted, authenticate with your fingerprint, PIN, or device unlock. This step finalizes the payment channel and prepares the order for confirmation by Aliexpress. To finish, review the order summary and press Pay. A Google Pay prompt appears for authentication. Follow it to complete the purchase. After payment, save a screenshot of the receipt and monitor the Aliexpress order status for confirmation. If the transaction fails, first retry and confirm your card has funds and matches the billing address. If problems persist, clear the Aliexpress app cache, update both apps, or re-add the card in Google Pay. As a last resort, use a different payment method and contact support if charges are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.